We are working on 2015 Ford Transit 350. Customer has a used Pioneer radio he would like to get along with the Maestro RR. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the radio out. I have it partially out. So remove this top cover, and there is wasn't there 7mm holding on to this? We're going to remove two 7mm on the top. Four of them. So one here, one here, one there. So total of 4. And this display panel comes out. You're going to disconnect that. Underneath, 2 more 7mm. We'll remove them. Got the other side out. This thing pulls up. After you remove that, there's a 2 7mm here. These are all 7mm. Disconnect the panel. And 2 7mm right there. This comes out. Disconnect this. There's a lock and clip. Okay. Maestro rr2. I bought a interface harness supposedly for this radio that I have, which is the AVH W8500. Turns out this plug doesn't fit, so we're gonna snip this off, put a original one that comes with the radio on here. These 2 plugs in directly on the factory harness. Let's not plug it in because we gotta cut this off. Then it gives you 2 of the video cable. That's for the backup cam option, I believe. This car has this plug, the little one, that goes to the top display part that fits up here. This is the used radio. Supposedly working. Right, so this is a Metra's kit 995835G. This is the harness. We have to modify this dashboard. This is the part of the Metra dash kit. You're going to have to put this here and slide it down here. Obviously it won't do it because this is on the way, so we're going to cut this off. So there's They say like this.
As puppet.
7 mils here. This is not down. Okay.
When I put everything together,
Plug in all the harnesses. Got everything working. We're gonna put everything back together. Backup cam works. Let's put it in park. Okay. Still reverse.